Hi guys, welcome to Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. Now recently I was contacted by a company called EDEUOEY wanting me to review some of the products. I was given the choice of two. So the first one that we're going to be having a look at is the EDEUOEY collapsible folding camping table. Now I'm not getting paid for this review, so it's going to be an absolutely honest, down-to-earth review, my genuine first impressions of it. So it comes in a bag as such. The bag is slightly oversized, so it could actually be made slightly smaller, but seems an effective bag, perfect for carrying it about in. In the pack here it weighs 808 grams. 44 centimeters long and 11 centimeters wide. So let's get it out and have a look before we put it together. So drawstring bag with a toggle on it. So that's the top part of the table and the aluminium legs. And that's everything that's in the bag. So I have had a look at this already and it is very easy to set up. So all you do is you make sure that the grippy bit at the bottom of the feet are obviously at the bottom and open it out as such. Now it has two arms that fold over into the slots to make sure that it's the right size. Clips in and push together, and that's the base of the table setup. Really easy, really simple. So the bottom part is made of aluminium with plastic joints and plastic feet. The top part is made of plastic and is kept folded up nice and neatly by two bungees that run through it, so when you let go it folds out. Doesn't nip together, but it keeps it still. And underneath you've got two ridges just inside the outside that slot into these gaps here, and they just pop in nice and simple. So we'll get that done. Nice and easy, and that's the EDEUOEY table put together. So when it's put together, it's 43 centimeters tall from the ground to the top of the table, and the top is 39.5 centimeters by 34 centimeters across. So although the pack size for me is a little bit big and possibly a little bit heavy, it's certainly not something that I'll be taking out on the fells, on any big walks, to act as a table. I would probably want something a bit smaller than this for that, but certainly for my woodland camps, such as at my permission, or if I'm going anywhere else where I'm not walking too far and I wanted a good sturdy table, this seems as though it's going to do the job brilliant. So from a relatively small pack compared to its size as it is now, it actually makes a bigger table than I thought it would. And although it's 808 grams, when you pick it up it doesn't actually feel that. It feels particularly light. And although a little bit bulky in the pack, because it's long and slim, it does slide into the side of my rucksack nice and easy. So like I say, I am looking forward to taking this out on some of my more local camps, woodland camps and things like that. So do keep an eye on the channel and see how I get on with that. And what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description for this product, and if you're interested you can go and check it out. Once again, I'm not getting paid for this. I don't get any commission or anything like that. I was simply sent this by EDEUOEY and asked to do a review of it. So that's what we're doing today. And I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed. It's better than I thought it was going to be. It was, and I think it will definitely come in handy on my woodland camps. So like I say, I'm really looking forward to testing this out. So if you fancy a look at it, check out the link in the description to the EDEUOEY page on Amazon. And yeah, you've seen it, so if you fancy it, go and check it out. There we are, good solid table, and I think that will be able to handle a good bit of weight as well. I mean, I'm putting a good bit of weight on that there, moving it from side to side. That's very sturdy, that's very sturdy. So thank you very much for clicking on today's little review. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. So once again, until next time, stay safe, much love from a Cumbrian lad.